Hello and good morning on this pretty sunny morning here today in Geneva. I am currently here on my way to Meunier, also first time doing a video there, aboard this totally and wonderful brand new Range Rover Velar. Look at that, it's already, I can say, a luxurious and surprising brand new model. So see you to Meunier. This is where I'm going to introduce you the car and with some drone shots. So let's go and see you to Meunier. So welcome, I've just arrived here in some winery yard in Geneva as always in Meunier with this totally brand new Range Rover Velar that is just right here. Can't wait to show you. So let's get discover it now all together. Let's go. So we finally got this new Range Rover, and as you probably are wondering what color is that, it's maybe a new sort for the car. The name of the color, by the way, is Quartzite Carcura Stone. Weird name, but the color is pretty nice for this car. Starting with the front, as you can see, also a new totally category of this range with some DNA. Like the grille or like the lights, but they're totally brand new LED lights with the new shape, comparing for the Vogue or the Range Rover Sport. This massive grille, all in silver, by the way. You have also another smaller grille with a silver line. Pretty good. Also some kind of black pack, but it's not really a black pack, some black touches right here. Rims, 21 inches rims in silver. Pretty nice shape. They are looking like a flower or something like that. So pretty cool for this car. Some additional black and silver touches. Autobreed stickers, so thank you very much for them to letting me shooting that car. Downstairs you have also another black line, tinted windows, nice shape that we are going also. That is totally brand new. The rear of the car is totally changed and brand new. LED lights in red. Sorry, as you can see. Oh, here they are. Shining. It's actually the category of the car is the P380 SE. That means 380 horsepowers. Range Rover silver and black. So that is pretty nice, matching with the color. Exhaust system that we're unfortunately not really seeing them. Hidden downstairs. The boot, fully electric, of a capacity of 673 liters. Not too bad and pretty big for this new range. There you go. You also have air system that is going through the rear. I don't know if you can spot it. That is going here up and getting out of the rear. So you have that for the air system. And of course, what has made a huge, not shock, but a totally something new are the door handles. Look at that. That are closing into the car. To check the inside of the car, standing with the rear, because the front is more interesting. So that's the rear. You have like some place, very good features like black and like kind of brown here, like the space for the legs, the door, very nice. And we're going to see the interior. Like this is the door handle, this is when you close it, and when you open it, it goes out of the door and you take it. Look at that. And that's the main the front Meridian sound system with some British logos, stitching, white Range Rover at the enter, and the massive seats. Wow, very luxurious. The interior, I really appreciate it. It's very luxurious with, of course, this kind of stitching and the British flags. It's very, very cool. This massive, of course, panoramic sunroof. And we are going to turn on the car with this all new, here it is, the all new steering wheel. Here we go. Wow, this massive like kind of display, 12.3 inches. Also some touching buttons here, all like light on, totally new. Also some 3 kind of colors on silver, black and this brown for the steering wheel. Stitching, the dashboard all inside, all like in large. Wow, and the other seats that I really love it. So great. Here's the central like kind of storage, USB plugs, cup holders, like the roll as always for the Range Rover that you're usually seeing in the Vogue, and these 2 big screens that you have a lot of kind of options, vehicle, off-roading mode, like I don't know, you can push up the car. It's very beautifully good done. And this all like 2 screens that are like 10 inches, median, navigations. This is for the home, like, oh, this is like the navigation, for example. Wow, very huge and good done. So that's for inside, and let's go on the road discovering that all beautiful car. So I am currently on my usual countryside after Meunier, aboard this brand new luxurious Range Rover Velar that has been introduced while the Geneva's International Motor Show of this year. So I'm very lucky to already have it. It's also the model that I'm driving has like, it's the SE. It has like 380 horsepower for 450 newton meters of torque, and from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, it's only like, not only because the car has like 2 tons, so it's 5.7 seconds, so pretty cool. And this car has also a lot of power and giving a pretty good noise off when you accelerate the car. So what I'm going to do, so I'm going to switch on sport. Oh, the throttle is already different. The sport and some race, oh Jesus, the race and dynamic mode. So and the noise, like it has already changed. So listen to that, from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 5.7 seconds. Wow, so much power, so aggressive. Wow, this car is just so quick and so amazing. Wow, that's when you know that this is a 3-liter V6. Ooh, the noise, so exceptional. Wow, I am so impressed. The noise is absolutely stunning, by the way. Ooh, and the pedals. But a car like this is not really making crackles, of course. So we're going to back on the normal way to drive, by the way. So automatic and driving regular mode. So what I can tell you about this car, that this car is absolutely a totally brand new range of the entire Range Rover category, because you have like the Vogue, the Sport, and the Vogue. This is like the cars that we are usually seeing, them like on the normal casual days. But this car has been introduced, as I told you, at the Geneva's Motor Show. What has been a totally brand new, like, kind of revolution, and not maybe a shock, but when this car has been presented, it has looking like a futuristic car, like something of a concept car. And this car has really like a Range Rover DNA. So what do I mean? Of course it has something totally new in this car, like the leather, the combination, the seats, all the dashboard. Like you have like these 3 screens, like 12.3 inches and these 2 10-inch screens. So that makes a shock, because everything here is touchable. You can touch like everything on the car, and that makes the difference. The panoramic sunroof and the seats, we have like 12 not options on the seat, 20 options on the seat, but they're heated, they're cooled. You even have a massage. You have like kind of massage seat, and that I was so surprised. So the massage seats are really cool, and when you drive you feel like so comfortable. And something that I really appreciate here in this car are this gorgeous combination of the seats and the logos with some English flag. Wow, they've made a really big effort to the car. So I've just done my test drive with this totally brand new Range Rover Velar. It has so much surprised me for this very first time. So luxurious and so impressive. So here it is. Thank you guys for watching. Hope that you guys appreciate it, by the way. Don't forget to subscribe, thumbs up, and see you for the next time for some maybe other brand new surprising car. So see you very, very soon, and have a very good day. Bye.